Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on vibrations in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for vibration options, we need to go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, and here we have a few options. For example, vibrate while ringing and call vibration. Right now it's silent. We can change it to sync it with our ringtone. We can also change intensity of our vibration, and we have a few other styles of vibration. Also, we have vibrate only mode right here. This is the same as in this little shortcut there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.